look at thermal transfer printing ribbons, Amour's La Chevrolière plant is the largest production facility in Europe. Half the ribbons produced in the old continent are manufactured by this important multinational organization. Notably, the La Chevrolière plant strikes a first in environment protection with one of the largest solvent oxidizing units in Europe, capable of treating 250,000 normal cubic meters per hour. The Italian engineering company ITAS, a leading European producer of custom-made industrial combustion equipment, supplied this turnkey installation. In this project, ITAS took on the responsible role of main contractor. The problem at Amour consisted in the inability of the existing thermal destruction plant to handle the volume of emissions produced by all of the production units operating at La Chevrolière. Following an engineering survey, it was suggested to Amour to install ITAS Rigitherm 7-tower post-combustion unit in conjunction with a mixed-jet flameless system and with the added feature of energy recovery. The regenerative post-combustion unit operates on the heat absorption and release principle of ceramic masses housed in 7 towers. It comprises a 450 kilowatt twin fan unit with a maximum capacity of 137,000 normal cubic meters each. The fans convey the air to the 7-tower system, featuring 14 intercept valves controlling the inlet and outlet of each chamber. The operating temperature in the chambers is reached at startup using 5 burners working independently from each other, and that can attain a total maximum power of 7,500 kilowatts. When the solvents in the flow exceed the minimum level required for the thermal plant to support itself, a steam boiler with a production capacity of 12 tons per hour of steam at 9 bars comes into operation to integrate the plant's central thermal unit, thus making the recourse to other boilers in the plant unnecessary. The supply includes the connecting network between production units and post-burner and a control system for each chimney of draft, flow rate and pressure. The improvement ITAS has made to air circulation on the single machines has led to about a 30% reduction in the volumes to treat. The connecting network conveys all the flows to the incinerator, which is so flexible it can operate even on 1 chimney up to the maximum capacity of 38 chimneys, without affecting the normal production cycle. The unit was started according to the schedule guaranteed to the customer, as evidenced by the various tests for thermal balances, destruction efficiency and energy recuperation made by the French Technical Inspection and Certification Authority, APAV. The post-combustion unit's technological breakthroughs are evidenced by the operating tests, beginning with the emission concentrations, volatile organic compounds, nitrogen oxides, carbon oxide, methane, which were much lower than the minimum levels required by existing legislation, and also than the more restrictive ones demanded by the customer. The unit, alongside its basic role of thermal destructor of solvents, performs additional energy-saving and recovery functions. Methane consumption is practically non-existent, as the burners are operating only during startup. Another notable feature is the low requirement of electrical power. The production of steam for concentrations greater than the thermal plant's self-supporting limit offers the consequent benefit of an interesting payback. A man-machine interface allows constant monitoring 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and graphically warns the operator about any component requiring maintenance. The interface is connected via modem to the ITAS head office in Italy, as well as to its technicians' laptops, so that the customer is guaranteed instant assistance at all times. Last but not least, special care was given to safety measures designed to ensure personnel safety and preserve the environment.